Today, I purchased the most inexpensive raised garden bed off of Amazon. Did I get a deal or did I get a dud? Gonna have to watch to find out. And so the cool thing about it is it's a one-page, half a page instruction booklet and half a page showing your hardware and other items in the box. So this is a 2 foot by 4 foot by 12-inch tall raised garden bed, galvanized, corrugated galvanized. Amazingly enough, it fit in that box. That box is about 1 foot square by about 5 inches high. So that kind of surprised me on how small it was. Comes with a support bar to keep it from bowing in and out. Let me move my freshly picked zucchini. I picked them small like that because I think they're tender and the seeds aren't as big. I think they cook up better, in my opinion. And I have tons of them. So, but anyways, let's get to this. Wrapped very well. I paid, the day I searched for this, I paid $21. I think I had a little bit off because I had some credit or whatever from being an Amazon Prime member. I had some pricing, better pricing. So maybe it was like 19 and the shipping was free and it was here the next day. So to me, that's awesome. So I can already tell you, you know, I did the big garden bed there the other day. This is so much thinner, but it's also $19, $21. And let me show you this. These came with these beautiful dress gloves. I feel like I could go to the ball with these things. A dress ball or whatever, a black tie event or whatever. I'm going to put them on because, hey, wow. Okay, they're not made for people my size, but hopefully they'll keep me from injury. Comes with a bag of hardware. The thing I do like about this is it's all wing nuts. So sometimes I've been called a wing nut myself. But in case you don't know what a wing nut is, it makes assembly a lot easier because you can just spin it on with your finger. A little wing nut, off and on. They do give you a little wrench, a little tire iron wrench for the bolts. And packed really well. I gotta say, like I said, I didn't realize it was going to be in such a small box, but I'll tell you what, it's all here. And then of course they give you this rubber edging, and that's to keep you from cutting yourself on the top when you're done assembling it. They literally put wrapping in between each piece, that's really cool. There's no damage at all, which doesn't surprise me. Companies nowadays are getting so good at shipping things and engineering boxes so things don't get damaged. So unboxing is complete. Come back and we will start the assembly of this unit. So for assembly's sake, I know I'm not going to have any tactile abilities here to put this together with one glove on. So I'll leave one glove on when I'm handling the steel. It's got a rolled edge, so you're not hitting sharp metal. But what the instructions tell me is to, you can see I got shiny and not shiny. And it says to put the unit together, the sides together first, and then you do the end pieces. Kind of, sort of like that. So let me get to the assembly portion now. I am not going to make you sit through this whole assembly process. I'm going to time lapse it. So here we go. Whew. It is so hot out here. The trees are whistling for the dogs. Oh. Well, everybody, as you can see, I have both ends assembled. I have both sides assembled. Now I'm going to come in, I'll assemble the sides, then I'll tighten everything down and put the brace in, which goes on the top, which is why I left that one open, that hole open there. And come back in a couple of minutes and we can put this raised garden to bed. So y'all get the idea. Got about another 5 minutes of putting the rest of these screws in. I'll tighten everything down. Doesn't need to be done on camera. I'll come back with the finished product and we'll talk about it. See you in a few. Welcome back, everybody. So I'm going to end this video here. This is going to be part one. Briefly, you be the judge. It's pretty sturdy. Pros and cons, I'll go over in the second video. But, you know, first glance, I like it. Like I said, I paid $20, $21 for it off of Amazon. And now this, in the next video, will be mowed. I have more weed paper to go down. And then this is going to go here. And then I'll go through how I'm filling it with dirt and compost and stuff. And then I'm going to be planting my June pumpkins in this box. And then everything can run towards the house. I'll put down tarps for the pumpkins and they can just spread out. So that's going to end it here. Stick around for part two coming soon, and we will see you in the next one. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help my channel, and I appreciate your support. Have a good day.